If you're holding crypto, you probably expect it to go up in the future. That's why you're holding it. And there's only a handful of countries around the world that have a 0% tax on your crypto gains. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 of the countries that are in this list, and I'm going to be going over my personal favorite where you can actually set up here and pay no tax legally on your crypto gains. And I'm also going to go over exactly how you can actually prepare to move to these countries or move to this country to actually do this legally, because there's a lot of misinformation all over the internet, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it legally. So number 1, we have Dubai and the UAE. Number 2, we have Malta, and number 3, we have Belarus. And chances are you don't know that much about Malta. You've probably never even been there. You probably don't know much about Belarus, and same thing, you've probably never even been there. And although I can recommend Malta, Belarus is definitely not one that I would recommend to move to, but Dubai and the UAE is 100% that I would recommend to move to, since I moved here myself for obvious reasons. And Dubai also has no income tax, so this goes for your stock portfolio, your real estate portfolio. There's no tax on any capital gains there. So here's exactly how you're going to legally reduce your taxes on any further capital gains. So the first thing you have to do is realize the capital gains or loss that you currently have. So you can either actually realize the position or just leave the position alive, but then pay taxes on the market value, fair market value of that token asset at the time where you are departing from your country. A lot of people will say, just bring your crypto, send it over here, and then in 5 years, cash it out. The reality is that is not the appropriate way to do it. If you actually want to do it legally, then you should realize the gain or loss, pay tax on it, and then from there, you can actually move and reopen the positions here in Dubai. So now that that's understood, how do you actually set up your crypto accounts here in Dubai? The first thing you need to do is get residency here in Dubai. And in order to get residency, you can get it in 2 different ways: by investing in real estate or by setting up a company, which is a lot cheaper. And that company can be used for businesses that you have, online business, online income that you generate, and then that company will grant you residency. You will essentially be hired under your own company, which you own 100% of, and get residency like that. The residency will be a 2-year renewable visa that can be renewed as many times as you want. And this will also grant you an Emirates ID card, which will be used to create your crypto accounts, whether it's on Bybit or Binance. You'll use this as the information ID card for your KYC. And now that you've opened your crypto account here, you're then going to transfer all those assets over here to Dubai, and then you'll just maintain them here in Dubai and you will be good to go. However, there's one more very important thing you need to keep in mind. You cannot just set up your residency here, get your crypto account here, and move back to your home country and expect to pay no tax. It's important that you spend between 3 to 6 months per year here in Dubai, or 3-6 months plus here in Dubai, to ensure that you actually have what's called tax residency here in the UAE. And it's also very important to become a non-resident of the country where you currently have your tax residency. So if you live in Canada, it's important to cut off your ties, like your primary residence. If you have a dependent or any strong ties, then ensure to bring them here. If you have a spouse, ensure to bring them here as well. Relocate with them, because those are primary ties that will make you a taxable resident in Canada. And then once you're set up here, make sure to set up your bank accounts here, make sure to establish all of your new ties here, and then you should spend adequate time in Dubai. And definitely spend a lot more time in Dubai than you would in your home country. I wouldn't suggest to spend much time in your home country at all. So if your goal is to pay no tax on your crypto capital gains or your crypto trading profits in the next couple of years, when the bull run is going to go really high, hopefully, well then make sure to contact us, because we will assist you with the entire process, from setting up your company to then getting you residency, to then setting up your bank account, and of course setting up your crypto accounts as well. We can help you with the entire process to ensure that you are doing it properly. So ensure to book a call down below and we will see you there.